G'day. Hooey. Oh. Hello. Hope you're well. You know it's been good when you see a pad like that. Covered in lots of trades. Let me get that out of the way. G'day Dave. K Finmel. Who else have we got? What a bloody week. What a time to be alive. What a time to not trade. Oh, I feel sorry. G'day Sally for those poor souls that still haven't woken up to what we've got available to us. G'day Bradley. Hello, 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 Robert. Welcome. Now, for those of you, Cody, geez, they're all coming through now. Everyone's jumping in. For those of you who still do not know, oh, hang on, what have I done? For those of you who still do not know, you have got yourself a free course. It's right there. It's free. Get in there. Get stuck in. Look, it's up to you. Do what you want. But it's a bloody good course. I'm very proud of it. And I think you'll probably see if I ask this question, which will be this. Guys and girls in here today, right now, what do you think of the courses that are out there that we've put out? Tell the people that are here that might be sitting on the fence what it's about. While you type that in, I'll come back to our charts. And welcome to all the new members, because we have seen a great deal come in. And something else to mention as well is this is proudly sponsored by FTX. 10% off your trading fees if you look in the description below. And that does make a difference. You know, it does. Let me tell you. They got pretty cheap trading fees anyway, but it's pretty bloody good. 10% off's a good thing. And look, if you on the course, you'll see that there's what shows you how to go long, how to go short, all that sort of stuff, how to manage your risk. But they're also in the YouTube description below as well. So check that out. No excuses anymore. We've got a cracking market, and if you are not taking advantage, it's up to you. Got it, mate. Good. Already on the Masters, going through it again. Really good. Cheers. Best there is around. It's awesome. I've completed both courses. Absolutely fantastic and full of great examples. Really helped me a lot with my trading. Yes. Honestly, it makes me feel good. It really does. I've been working a long time on this stuff, and I'm very proud of that work. And I'm also just so excited. What members are doing. What I'm doing. Shit, I'm killing it too. Top 10 looking at Bitcoin. Doing its little 4-hour hanky-panky. Look, check it out. We go left foot in, we put the left, then we shake it all about, then we do the hokey pokey and we shake it out, and we do the hokey pokey and we shake it all about, then we hokey poke, boom. We could be seeing ourselves pushing up through the old highs. Good stuff, Eric. Great to hear it. We could be pushing up to all-time highs. Who knows? It won't take long when the engines start revving. But I'll tell you what I do want to show you just quickly here. Boom! Now that is a chart of Bitcoin's dominance that you are looking at. Of course, this is showing us a strong alt run. We like it because with alts running, there's a lot of opportunity, and that's what we're going to focus on now. Oh, geez Louise, the spot account's killing. It is just going. The margin trades are just mind-boggling. It's so sick. Okay, sorry. I'm in stoke mode right now. I'm in looking at boat mode right now. I'm in booking flights to Noosa right now. They're already booked. Queensland's open up to us. I was going to say Kiwis. Ooh, no, yuck. Ugh. No offense, Kiwis. Sideways market Bitcoin. I'm going to Noosa at Christmas. Oh, yeah. Nothing here. Lower time frame, same. One of the things you're going to have to get your head around, and I said it in the Slack community today, is with so many great trends, we're going to have to work the lower time frames, right? Now, I was so close to taking that trade there, but there was a little low there. I'm not too concerned. I've bought a wedge. When I saw Bitcoin start to consolidate again, I bought Link, I bought XRP, and I bought more Ethereum. So I've made good out of this run, but it's not margin trading. I love my margin. The daily there, and if we just jump down You can also see here pulled back in, a bit big for the rules really. If I'm being honest, you know. I'm waiting for a pullback here. I'm going to change the color of this beast, so I'll create our own list for this scan. I'm happy to go lower as well, guys. You know, sorry, I'm just having a moment. Okay, there's liquidity here, so I'll go lower. I don't mind. 30 minute, we're converging on these highs. Yes, bullish candle in the cradle. Is the 1 hour convergent? Oh, it's tricky to say because we don't have a really good pullback there. Probably not so much. The 15 certainly. If it doesn't get any bigger, that could be a real goer. I will probably still be here, but pullbacks, Ethereum on the list. Oh my goodness me. Check this puppy dog out. You little smelly ripper. Breakout. Very similar to my trade on XRP. It wasn't so much a trade, it was a longer term position. But look at that, just super duper. Look where it's come out from. This is what I want to explain to those that don't think trading's for them. Fine, you might not think trading's for you, but understanding a chart, like there was reasons to be buying through here. Same with Link, same with Ethereum, same with XRP, same with a lot of them that were trending. It's no surprise to see it progress like this. I am stalking this like a crazy ex-boyfriend. I want to pull back. It's simple. I want it, and where do I want it to? Back to there. Why? Well, it was a bit of a level through there. Let's see if we get a 61.8. It might be close. It's not close. It's bloody well spot on. So yeah, throwing that in, pull back into that region. If you know what the Fibonacci booster strategy is, this is the perfect market for it. Fast flowing markets. If you've only got the cradle through what we did with FTX, you are going to be a little bit hamstrung at the moment because a lot of these moves do happen quickly. The booster is really good for that. Moving on to algo perp, starting to move nicely. 15 minute, let's hit it. Ooh, what about daily? What do we got here? No, we're coming through a couple of levels. Quick look at the weekly because I like to do that. Doesn't have much value. Back away, up we go, and to the 30. In the cradle, move away. Wanted a nice clean pullback. It's not looking likely at the moment just yet. I shall leave it. Move on to alt perp. Alt perp. Oh, by the way, who's still in this? Who's still in this? So if you're wondering why you'd be in this, in my community, I put a video on a trade out. Let me just show you something. When you say, oh, I don't want to trade, or I can't, I've just got to do this, and I just learn by myself. Why don't you just learn from someone who knows what they're doing? I'm not in it anymore. I got out here at I ended up netting about 7%, 7 times my risk multiple with the scale out. That's 33.8. That means 33 grand if you're risking 1,000. It means 3,300 if you're risking 100. Scale that out, you're still looking at at least about 16 to 1 there. $1,600 for one trade. How high time? I don't tend to go too much higher than the 2 hour for boosters. Yeah, that's right, Jared. Absolutely, mate. And that's a big part of it. You do need to stay disciplined. The markets are moving incredibly quickly. They're not pulling back often. They're not giving opportunities all that often. But you got to be Johnny on the spot. I'm tired. Not because I've been staying up late to trade, but because my kids kept me awake. But it's high octane stuff. Alt perp's got to be in there. I'm just waiting for pullbacks. Have been all day really. Atom, ooh, maybe. Oh, I don't think I'd trade this on the far. Maybe. Not tickling my fancy bones. Look at this cyclicity. Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Pull back to 6. Give me cradle. I'll take it. That was such a. I didn't take it. I wasn't there. No, I'm happy, Mr. Ether Robert Warner. What I want to see is, I want to see continued movement, pullbacks. I want to see everyone get positioned, and I'd like it to consolidate from about December 21st, because that's when I fly to Noosa. I'm going to have to buy a couple of screens up there, take my laptop. I prefer to be trading from my terminal. I got a U-Butte custom built computer to make it work for me, make my life easier. And I'll be leaving that for now. There's plenty more available. So yeah, I'd love to see it slow down then. Okay, so Bitcoin Cash. You've heard me talk about the consolidation for a very, very long time. Broke above 275, did it with ease. Pulled back, retested, slingshot straight off of that. Why? Well, this is why we teach in the course old resistance can act as new support. And boo! There it is. Proof is in the pudding. Got Bitcoin Cash, Tron, and EOS in the last 4 hour cradle pullback. Jake, yes, mate. Bloody good to hear, because you're in the money. You're in the money. This looks good. Give me a pullback once again. Waiting for that. Binance. Hey, it's finally woken from a bit of a hibernation, and it's done it well. Look at the cyclicity now. High, low, high. High, low, high. High, low, high, high. Waiting for opportunities. Here we go. Here we go. I'm not just going to blindly jump into something because I want a Lambo. You'll never see me in a Lambo. I don't want a Lambo, but that's nothing against those that do wish to have Lambos. I just don't. Oh, Binance. I'm just trying to see, is there a time frame? There's nothing really that excites me there. BSV, on the other hand, yeah. Take a portable LED projector with you while on holidays. Portable LED. Huh. Screens are pretty cheap these days. I think I'll just buy a couple up there. It's probably going to cost me more in luggage to carry the bloody things up. Because don't forget, I got kids, so I'm going to have to take Christmas presents up there as well. I'm going to leave BSV for the time being. Big Max is very snoozy, very sleepy. Doge, I mean, heaven forbid, it's actually moving. What on earth? Yeah, it's doing its thing. It's woken up from its little nap. It's not really got... no, look, I'm going to leave it. The beautiful thing right now is that we've got so much choice. You know, we've got so much bloody choice. It's fantastic. Dragon, look at this. We talked about this. High or low. Boom. Off it goes. Let's go lower. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. I did not take that because that was at 4 a.m. And although I was awake, I was trying rapidly to get to sleep. Failing dismally. Kidlets. Okay, pull back. I got to put that in. That's just keeps on going and giving. And have we got anything? Ugh. See, it's even these little pullbacks. That's what we're after, right? EOS. I mean, gosh, it's woken up too. Look at that on the daily. Yep. We got an alt run. We got a bull market, and it's time for us to make our claim on what goals we have. Because now you may never get a more better opportunity in your life than the one that we've got right here. I'm going to leave EOS out for now. Ethereum Classic. It's got a lot more pulling back to do, and if the market does have a sudden jolt back, that's when I'll do another scan again. It's quite a full-on time at the moment. I'm glad that I'm going to leave this out. I'm glad I got a fantastic team. Horby, no. Oh, hang on, I might just look at this. Because, you know, for me, I don't really, and this is honest, I don't really want to be running the day-to-day of the business when markets are like this. It's just not, you know, there's a lot more money to be made trading than there is, you know, me doing those day-to-day tasks. So thank you to my team that are probably not watching, but anyway, because this is where wealth's made. You know, this feels like a reverse GFC to me, an uptrending one, and I did very well from that. I don't know if I can put that in. I just don't get it. Sorry. Missed every opportunity. Can't set up account due to ID issue. Oh, damn it. New to trading and joining your education tips. Tease Dale. Get over to tradercobb.com. Make it the free course. Don't worry, champ. That sounds funny, but that's actually the name. Don't be concerned, all right? There will always be more trades, okay? And don't be, like, if you're in the US, oh, hang on. Oh, due to ID issue. Don't sweat it. Don't sweat it. There will be more. Do not sweat it, all right? You have my word, there will be more. Oh, this hurts. This hurts because I had a little lay down for half an hour before, so I could get myself good for this scan. That was what I wanted. It's hit 1-to-1 already. Is anyone in that, by the way? Did anyone take that from my community? Sorry about the sound effects. Is that blurry? Oh no, it's just weird. Did anyone get that? See, that's the thing, you know, the old saying, you snooze, you lose. I needed to have a little lay down. I was shattered. But man, that stings a bit. Putting it in the list, it's just money, right? It's just money there and it's easy. Well, okay, it's easy for me to. I know what I'm doing. I know the strategies. I know a lot of you also do. Difference between you and others is that you've gone through it. Yeah, I'm still long ETH, still long ETH, still long XRP. Bought more Link. Not that I'm telling you to do that. You asked a question. I give an honest answer. Yeah, I am still long ETH. Matic, I'll leave. Mid perp. Oh, for crying out loud. See what I was doing. I've been drawing in my fibs, but just gonna take them out now. Again, look at that. Look at that. Pew. Okay. Look, just about the whole list is ripe, you know. It's just a matter of knowing what you're looking for. That's going in. OKB, I can leave. Shit perp. Oh, what a time to be alive. I can't really contain my excitement for all of us right now. Shit perp, look, it's a great looking trend, but am I going to put it in there? I probably won't, just because I'd rather trade the higher liquidity pairs to get a decent position on. Tomo. No, can leave Tomo. Excuse me. Tron. Again, up, pull back, whoopish. Off she goes. We'll get rid of that level because it ain't relevant any longer. Daily, look at this. Booyah. We're on the move. We're on the move. Don't forget. Look at that. Don't forget that markets can and will go higher than you think. Markets can and will go lower than you think. So what to do? Don't think. Just do. Another 6% there on XRP. I don't do this very often, but I'm going to. 145% for those that saw it in the community. Now, there's no margin on that one, I got to say, but you know, you wait till I do get a margin. That's just spot. I mean, that's silly, silly, silly. Okay. Yeah, I got stopped out of a uni trade last week while everyone else took that sushi. By the way, I think no worries, Tony. Love ya. I think I think. What was I thinking? Oh yeah, I think it was last week that many of you did, in fact, get sushi. Those of you who are not in my community but watch this, did you? I can't remember if it was a watch list video or if it was a video. I'm not going to be able to take that. It's divergent up there now. Or if it was a scan. But I think it was in there. Easy money. Oh, look at that. Did anyone get that? Easy stuff. I'm not saying that to make it sound like, oh, it's so easy. Good trades. It comes with experience, obviously, to know what's good and what's not. But I never use Heineken. No. Are you guys seeing this? It's just off its head. Oh yeah. Yep. Pull back into there. Why? Well, it's an old resistance level. Boom. Yep. Break above. Pull back in. 1,000 round number. You better believe it. Okay. Nothing of a booster or anything. I mean, yeah, it's got to be in the list. I can see myself having a relatively late night, I would suggest, given the conditions so far. Time to switch on for the rest of the Arvo. I'll tell you that are in the Trader Cobb community. It's going to be me today, you today. I'm not doing anything else. We are trading after this. That is the end of it. I am going to be on the top of my game because I have already left thousands on the table this morning, and I don't wish to do it any longer. I'll be leaving DeFi. Man, I get so overwhelmed with all these trades. I don't know what to throw my money at. In good setups, obviously. Well answered, Levi. Yeah, there is heaps. But it's what we want. This is where money gets made. And you can split your risk, manage it to your trading plan, for which I'm sure that you've already set up if you've been through the program. It's part of it. I'll be leaving comp. Kyber. I like it. I like it where it is. Probably the 4, Probably the 4 back onto this $5. We'll throw that up here. Geez, it's almost going to be like doing another scan again, just going through the watch list that we've got. No, thanks. Swipe. Packs. Gold. Yawn. Every time I see this gold chart, my immediate thought is, Peter Schiff? Yeah. How's the gold going for you, brother? Okay, resistance broke. Look at this. And we saw this again on Bitcoin Cash. Old resistance acting as support. Whoosh, straight up, Bushka, off of there. Now, at the time, that was a big candle. Of course, it's moved very, very well. It still would have been big at the time, to be fair, so there was nothing there. I'm not taking that. There is nothing available now. Dot the whale, the Wahali, a little bit slow. I like to follow the momentum. If you don't have much time, by the way, if you don't have much time when you come in for your scans, no, leave that, leaving that sideways. Balancer. Yeah, if you don't have time on your scans, then to do your scans, just run through and have a look at the bigger movers. It can really, really help. Yeah, there will be. Okay, so let me. Did you get this one? Because I'm not sure if it was just in my community or if I did it with FTX as well. That was the cradle back there. I closed it early because I'm a twit. Up 10 times multiple. So we've got, 30 to 1 on alt perp, 33 to 1. We got 10 to 1 here. Sushi somewhere around that as well. To say it's been a good week. Understatement. Now, I cocked this up. I moved my stop to there because I figured if, I don't know. I thought, and I've admitted to that mistake, I still make mistakes. I shouldn't have moved my stop up. It wasn't a higher low until it broke that candle. I should have moved it to there. I wasn't patient enough. I tried to lock in some profit, and I made a mistake. And I tell you, it's cost me thousands. Many thousands of dollars it has cost me. It's a costly error. I got to own them though. They're my errors. I've got to. I don't hide anything. But don't ask me what my balances are because that's none of your business. While I'm at it, look at this. That's great. Maybe the 12. Yeah, we got some really. I'm not looking at the higher time frames at the moment just because there's not. We're not seeing pullbacks. Bullish candle on the cradle there, but I'm going to be leaving that. Why? Well, the 2-day doesn't have its uptrend in play with it. Luke, there's some scammer trying to be me. Anyway, we'll have to shake that person down. Look, I'm the only Trader Cobb. Look at that. No trend, though. If you got other power, I'm never going to give you free crypto, all right? Never, all right? I'm never going to give it. Unless you see me talking to you like this and say, hey, send me your Ethereum address and I'll send you crypto. No, it's not going to happen. Zcash on a run right now, so don't be caught out by these scammers. We try really hard to keep on top of them, but they just come left. I mean, look, they're daily, guys. So just be aware. I'm never going to offer you. Look at that. I'm never going to offer you free ETH. Beauty. All right. Okay. I'm going to pop that into my red list because that's for those that have the booster. Yune. Okay. Oh, I don't know. I got a stalker out there. Whatever. Okay. FLM. Flamingo. Starting to move. Not much to work with just yet. There's a better momentum out there at the moment. Oh, look, yeah, the guy was just a twit. He was posting in the Trader Craig Crypto, the free Facebook community. I just said, oh, look, can you try and add some value for the members rather than just showing your profits? He got all dark and angry, and I said, that's enough negativity, goodbye. I learnt from another patron, another trader. It's got a fair bit to go. I'm going to leave that off for the time being. That the guy ripped off his course and was selling it as his own, and yeah, so it's all right. Water for ducks back, guys. I've been I've been kicked many times, and I don't stay down, and I don't have time for that sort of nonsense. And I think you should do the same in your world. If you've got people like that, then just get rid of them, because we've got to focus right now. We've got a job to do. Nice to see Neo back above $20, huh? Look, it might not have stood out so much, but I mean, this is the sort of trades we've got to be taking right now, guys. It's a pumping market. That's got to be yellow. Whoopsies, whoops. All right, let's keep going. Sushi. So here was a trade on sushi back here. You probably stop up there. Now you're locked in a few percent. Not as big a move as some of the others, but hey, nothing to be sniffed at. Nothing there now. Nah. Uni. Bit messy, not going to touch that. Right, let's go and have a look at the all mega list. ETH, perp, pullbacks, give it to me. What did I say before? Was it the 30? I was looking at that. Oh, there's your 15. So if you were taking it, you'd be in. It looks a little bit on the biggish side. 2 minutes for the half hour. So I'm watching Ethereum, Cardano. Love to see it just sort of have a little tickle back home. Pull back, give me something to work with. Now, I could sit here and not have a trade all day. Unlikely, probably will at the moment with what's going on. But yeah, it's about being available. And you know, I got my checklist here. This is what it's about. This is called discipline. Using a checklist. Okay, using a checklist for your trading. It means you can take the emotion out. All you got to do then is follow your rules. I'm looking for pullbacks on alt perp. I'm looking for pullbacks on Bitcoin Cash. The 1 hour would be stellar, the 30 would be fine. If you know what the breakout is, keep an eye on that level. Dragon, Beauty, come back in, Cradle, Link, no. I think, because I've got it in my top 10 list, I'm actually going to take that out because it's got to push on to more highs than this 16. Profit was there. If you took it, congratulations. Simple strategies, great outcomes. That's what we're trying to do here. But I want to see it push on higher so I can get another pullback like that. So I'll be going now to, what did I do, Dragon? Yes, I did, Dragon, mid. XTZ, love the look of this chart. Again, you know, look at that. These are just such simple setups. Priv Pert waiting for the same, give me a pullback. I'd love actually to see it come back into here, into that 1000 level for many reasons. If it fails to do that and I get good cyclicity or cradles up here, I'm happy to trade that. Kyber. Good. Come back, little fella. Come back into here. Give me a higher low, a little bullish candle, and I'll be all over you like melted cheese on toast. More of the same here. Pull back in, cradles, guys. It's oops. It's a great time. It's a great time to be a trader, and if you are looking to get started, start here. All right, it is free. There are no strings attached. There are nothing like that. It's all free. Go get free. Go get ready. You know what's coming up. Blah 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 blah. Then go get stuck in, because you know, at the moment, you know, even if you're trading at $50 a trade, you know, like, it's not going to take long. Or you don't have to catch many good runners here to cover anything and all of the expense that you're going to have for paying for your education. So take it seriously. I believe it's just the beginning. Thanks, Harley. I'm glad you're loving it. Yeah, that's the scan. I'm pretty bloody hot wearing this jacket, but I'm wearing it anyway because I want to look good for you. I respect you. I hope you're respecting yourself. I hope you're having a great time. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, that's me done. I've got some trading to do. If you need your 10%, if you need your FTX account, The link below. Okay, description, open it up, long, short videos, you heard it all before. Get yourselves stuck in and join this wonderful train towards an Edencraft 233 formula. Black, hard top, with nice clears, twin 300 Mercuries on the back. Have a great day. Bye for now.